The adage is true. If you keep moving, good things happen. At Elizabethtown Community and Technical College, our automotive and diesel technology programs literally keep our communities moving. We're proud that Central Kentucky has long relied on ECTC to train highly skilled technicians, whether it's keeping our families moving, keeping our local schools moving, or keeping our business community and local economy moving. We are working hard to ensure their experience will prepare them to not only succeed in today's automotive and diesel world, but also to keep moving themselves as our industry continues to evolve. We know the success of any training program starts with a positive learning environment.
I attribute our positive learning environment to making sure that every student is treated with respect, that every student has the ability to ask a question anytime they want, that every student has the ability to be a part of every task that they perform in lab. Another aspect of our positive learning environment is the dedication and commitment of our teachers.
The low student-teacher ratio, an average of 15:1, absolutely promotes our positive learning environment.
Well, we get all the one-on-one time we need with our instructors, which really helps make sure that we meet our goals in the classroom.
Well, that environment, it helps build the trust and confidence that you need with your instructors.
We know the greatest challenge facing our graduates as they enter the industry involves ever-advancing technology. When we expose students to the online tools they'll use to continue their education on the job, that's a real-world situation.
Here they give us access to all data, Cummins Quick Serve, SysWeb, ProDemand. All these are industry use sites, and it's stuff we're going to use in industry. And being able to go ahead and know how to use it gives us a step up from other people when we go into the workforce. So I feel like knowing how to find service information is extremely important.
One of the greatest aspects of our program is our commitment to bringing the latest automotive innovations into the curriculum. We use many training aids that allow students to see inside a complex system while it is operating. We're also using online learning tools and providing our students unique, cutting-edge biodiesel training. And thanks to strong partnerships, our students are working with late model cars and trucks with the most modern systems.
So in the hiring process here at Sulk Toyota in Elizabethtown, one of the first places that we do go to is ECTC. So we choose to go through the ECTC program because of the technology that's being taught there, and we understand that they're staying ahead of the process.
What's more, we facilitate a wide range of opportunities for students to earn industry training certificates. We're proud that our automotive and diesel programs continue to keep moving forward, even in a time when funding shortfalls threaten education programs. We are fortunate to have an administration, including our college president, that supports us in all we do. Our college's leadership is very in tune with our region's workforce needs.
Well, we're so fortunate to have the ECTC automotive program, and especially the diesel program right now, because diesel's becoming such a big factor with Dodge and Ford and Nissan all having diesel trucks. We're able to staff our diesel technician needs with people right here in Hardin County out of the auto diesel program.
Further, we have tremendous partnerships with industry professionals and stakeholders in our area. The Automotive and Diesel Program Advisory Committees provide input regularly to ensure we continue to offer real value to our community.
So I've been with Pepsi-Cola for going on 32 years now, and they have been very beneficial to the college because they know the importance of training. The students have to have the latest technology and the latest tools to work with because this industry is changing daily.
Many of our advisory board members are responsible for the donated cars, trucks, and equipment we use in the classroom. Still, there's so much more that makes Elizabethtown Community and Technical College's program the best in the U.S.
So every 2 years, ECTC hosts Odyssey Day, which is an excellent way for the students here at ECTC to learn good leadership skills and to teach the community about alternative fuels.
One of the things that makes ECTC a great school, at least for the automotive and diesel students, is we have the ECTC Barons Car Club. It's about, coming together and being friends and just talking about cars and just relating to, getting to know your fellow students, and not necessarily just by the cars that they drive, but by the people that they are.
We believe our program has a bright future. That's in part because we're intentional in our work with local high schools to offer dual credit and other opportunities.
I'm able to see firsthand the seamless pathway that my students have available to them. ECTC is elemental in our college and career readiness. I have students who are able to leave my pathway, go to theirs, and then they're able to go to work, and it's all because of the work that they've done at the ECTC Auto and Diesel program.
From top-notch faculty to excellent curriculum to high-tech late model training aids to great support from administration, ECTC has what it takes to keep students moving.
And in turn, they'll keep our communities moving.